CaixaBank has unveiled a €5 billion technology roadmap, the Cosmos Plan, to integrate generative AI into its operations. The two-year strategy focuses on agility, new services, efficiency, and security. Generative AI will automate processes and enhance customer and employee interactions. The plan also includes cloud data and AI initiatives for real-time analytics. CaixaBank will hire 1,000 IT professionals to support the tech transformation. Subscribe to TheFinRate for latest news and updates from the fintech world. Thanks for watching.